Alright, this is going to be a quick garden video. I'm just showing you guys how I built my giant trellises here, okay? So, let's go over the materials and parts first, okay? This long, first of all these poles are 1/2 inch electrical conduit. You can get that at the hardware store, and it's pretty cheap. Underneath the electrical conduit, there are, I'm not going to be able to lift this up, but there's rebar stakes that's helping to support this. So I pounded the rebar stakes in, and then slid the galvanized poles over top of that. So that's how this structure is kind of staying stable. The poles are like in the ground like a foot or so. They're sticking only about about 1/2 foot above the ground. So as you can see, the netting that's on there is being held on with cable ties there, and you can tell at the top there is elbowed or bent. I actually just took a 5-foot pole and bent it to the length I needed, which was 3 feet across. The bed here is only 3 feet wide, so I took 1 foot on each side and just kind of bent it and made elbows myself. It's connected to the longer pieces. Let me see if I can zoom in. If you can see that, that's a coupling bit, and all I did was use a screwdriver to tighten that up and get those together. So that's all that is, and the cable ties are up there holding it in together. This one I used a like a chicken fencing or whatever. This here is actually like chicken wire or poultry netting. Okay, and I used the same thing, zip ties to tie it all together. So that's how I built the trellises. They oh, I should probably tell you the lengths of these poles. These longer poles are 10 feet long, and like I said, the shorter ones at the top were 5 feet, and I bent a foot off on the either end, so they're really 3 feet across with an extra foot on top. So that's how I built these monster trellises. I've already got plants taken to them. So, alright, just wanted to show you guys the finished products there. You can see the trellises, and these things are just absolutely monstrous. I'll be a little bit closer so you guys can get a little bit better see, but there they are. And yes, they are huge. I'm about to get a ladder to get on top of them. So, that's the end of my video. Hope you guys liked that. If that was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to see more. Talk at you later.